Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I would like to discuss Decentraland once more, and I would like to thank you all for watching my previous videos and also liking this video. So thank you very much already. And right now, I would also really appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up down below if you are liking the content so far. So do not forget to do so. Let's get started on what we are currently seeing right now on Mana. So Mana, what we did see previously on the 4-hourly time frame, well, this pattern is what I discussed previously. We did see multiple touch points below this ascending resistance, and we did see also multiple touch points on top of this ascending support, and we did actually see the perfect breakout taking place, heading all the way towards the $5.71, just as discussed during this channel. So do not forget that we have seen actually this major move towards the upside. This move was approximately 22%, guys. So this was a major move towards the upside, and right now what you can clearly see is that we did actually got straight back down. We found support on top of previous resistance, so this is actually looking very good to me. Previous resistance became support right now, and let's discuss what we are currently seeing on the chart. Well, for sure, if we head towards the 1-hourly time frame, we are not seeing any type of pattern so far. I could not say that we are seeing any type of pattern. The only thing that I would like to discuss is that we are seeing this ascending resistance, and that we are once more seeing a slightly higher low, but I won't be placing this as a level of support, especially because we still have this major level of support below us as this ascending resistance previously that became support right now. So this is actually looking very good so far, and we still have as well above us this ascending resistance with only 2 touch points below, so it's not a confirmed resistance line yet. So let's discuss what the indicators are showing us. Let's start by taking a look at the Ema Ribbon. On the Ema Ribbon, what you can clearly see is that it's serving as a level of support below us. It is actually perfectly aligned together with this ascending support range, and right now we are well above a major stronghold of support. So this does actually look very good to me. If we head towards the 4-hourly time frame, what is actually quite unfortunate is that the 4-hourly Ema Ribbon is quite far below the current price action. Therefore, if we are actually going to see right now major movement towards the downside, it is likely that we will be heading straight back down below this ascending resistance previously, right now ascending support, and we could see a breakdown occur heading towards this 0.786 at approximately $4.37, finding support on top of the 4-hourly Ema Ribbon. So this is actually one of the possibilities. Well, this being said, I would like to take a quick look as well at the MACD. On the MACD, what you can clearly see is that we are losing momentum strength. We are seeing that both lines on the indicator are heading towards a crossover. We are still quite far away, but still we are seeing right now a momentum decline. So what we would like to see for sure is the price action of Mana holding strong on top of the $4.96, and as well on top of this ascending previous resistance, finding support on top of it and not breaking down further below, as well being able to find support on the 1-hourly time frame above the Ema Ribbon. On the 1-hourly time frame, we did already clearly experience momentum towards the downside. We have seen a crossover occur, and right now we are holding strong on top of this range, and that is exactly what we would like to see. If we take a quick look at the 2-hourly time frame, we are actually seeing something quite similar occur. We are seeing a crossover almost taking place, so right now it is of utmost importance for Mana to hold strong at the range where it's currently trading at, on top of the $4.96. This being said, I would like to take lastly a quick look at the RSI to see what we are right now expecting. Clearly, on the 1-hourly and the 2-hourly time frame, as you could see, we are seeing this higher high on the chart, but a lower high on the RSI. On the 2-hourly time frame, this is a confirmed bearish divergence, and this is absolutely of utmost importance right now. And this is actually also the reason why we were clearly seeing this movement towards the downside getting started. If we take a quick look at the 1-hourly time frame, we are seeing exactly the same higher high, lower high on the RSI. But what I think is actually quite important is that we are actually seeing as well over here almost a bullish divergence taking place. At this point in time, we were seeing a lower low, and right now a higher low getting created on the chart, and on the RSI we are heading towards a lower low. Therefore, a bullish divergence might be helping us hold strong on top of the $4.96 range that I've talked previously about, what has to become our next stronghold of support, especially because we will be actually very bullish if we do hold strong on top of the $4.96, because Mana will be actually finding support on top of previous resistance. And you can clearly see on the 4-hourly time frame that this was a major uptrend. We were seeing this uptrend here creating higher highs, and right now we found support on top of our previous highs, or well, on top of this previous ascending resistance, and we are right now creating support on top of it. So we would actually like to see further continuation above this range to see more momentum towards the upside. And as well, guys, if you are liking the content, do not forget to give me that thumbs up down below. It will be actually highly appreciated. And lastly, I would like to discuss the RSI on the 4-hourly time frame. So if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame and we zoom in a little bit closer, well, what you can clearly see is that the RSI does actually still look very good. What I think is quite important right now is that if we do see a further decline in price action, we will be seeing as well eventually a bullish divergence if the decline is far enough. But right now, I must admit that the RSI does look good. But if we experience major decline in price actions underneath this ascending support, it is likely that we're going to head towards that 0.786 range that I've talked previously about at $4.37, and that would be actually very possible, especially because we have plenty of space towards the downside on the RSI to see a further decline in price action and as well a further decline on the RSI. But right now, I must admit that it does look currently very good, and that I personally think that a stronghold getting created on top of the $4.96 is actually likely to occur. So thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye bye.